नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. Hare Krishna. Now we'll discuss what is karma. Karma or action has to be performed. This is what is written in the Bhagavad Gita. One will be forced to perform karma according to the gunas or the material qualities one has acquired. Like we have an inherent nature to do something, like a sports person. He likes to play a certain sport. So that is his inherent nature. He cannot refrain from that activity. He will keep going back to that activity. Similarly, a passionate person who likes to earn money, he will keep going. His mind, his being will rush him towards this activity. So we cannot stop doing work. We cannot stop karma. What is more important to understand is what is good karma, what is bad karma, and ultimately what is divya karma, divine action. What is good karma? We learn from the scriptures that every karma, every action has a certain reaction to it. As you sow, so shall you reap. So yes, it is recommended in the scriptures to perform good deeds like talking nicely to people with sweet words, pleasing words, serving guests, atiti seva, respect for elders, then doing charities, helping the poor, the needy, giving clothes, even offering water is good karma. Building hospitals if you have the money, wells, even planting trees. All these activities come under good karma and so many more. Then we have to understand what is bad karma. Cheating, lying, thievery, hurting people. So many other activities, they come under bad karma. And they have a reaction. Usually people say, I have been good all this life. Why? Why is this activity happening to me? Why am I being subjected to so much misery? I haven't hurt anybody. That could be a reaction from our previous life. It could be a reaction from a life of 10 lives before. So we don't know how and when karma is reacting, when we are getting the result of our karma. That's why we have to clearly understand bad karma will give a bad result, good karma will give a good result. And it's not necessary the result will come according to our desire and our place and our time. That is determined by the Lord. So yes, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Devi esha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mam eva ye prapadyante mayam etam tarantite. Krishna says, this material world, if you do good or bad, you get a reaction. So even good karma gives a reaction. So suppose if we do good karma in this lifetime, we have to take another life to get its good reaction. So Krishna says, this material nature is very dangerous. Just surrender unto me. Simply surrender to me. You chant my name and you will come to me. You don't have to get into this cycle of birth and death, this trap of good and bad karma. Hare Krishna.